Have you ever wondered how a young boy from a small island in Portugal managed to climb to the very pinnacle of international football? Well, that boy is none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. His story, an incredible journey of determination, hard work, and unwavering belief, will inspire you to dream bigger and reach higher. Born on the 5th of February 1985, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro grew up in the tiny island of Madeira, Portugal. He was the youngest of 4 children in a family that was barely scraping by. But even in the midst of hardship, Ronaldo discovered his love for football at a very young age. At just 12 years old, he left his family and the comforts of his home to pursue his dream of becoming a professional footballer. He joined Sporting Lisbon's academy, where his incredible talent soon caught the attention of the world. In 2003, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United, a move that would change his life forever. At the time, he was just an 18-year-old with a dream, but under the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson, he transformed into a footballing superstar. Ronaldo's time at Manchester United was marked by numerous achievements. He helped the club win 3 consecutive Premier League titles and the coveted UEFA Champions League. His performances earned him his first Ballon d'Or in 2008, an accolade given annually to the world's best player. In 2009, Ronaldo made a sensational move to Real Madrid. In the Spanish capital, he elevated his game to even greater heights, breaking records and winning titles. His time at Real Madrid brought him 4 more Ballon d'Or awards, among many others. In 2018, Ronaldo took on a new challenge, signing with Juventus in Italy. His success continued, proving that his talent knows no boundaries. Ronaldo's journey is not just about his success on the pitch. It's also about his incredible work ethic, his never-give-up attitude, and his constant pursuit of excellence. He is a testament to the idea that with hard work and determination, one can overcome any obstacle and achieve their dreams. So as we look back at Ronaldo's journey, we see a story of a young boy with a dream who turned into a global icon. Despite the numerous obstacles and challenges he faced, Ronaldo remained steadfast in his pursuit of excellence. His story serves as a reminder that no dream is too big and no journey is too difficult if you have the courage to pursue it. From a young boy in Madeira to a global superstar, Ronaldo's journey is a testament to his incredible determination and unwavering belief in himself. He has achieved numerous accolades in his illustrious career, but more than the awards and accolades, it's his relentless pursuit of excellence that makes Ronaldo truly stand out. In conclusion, Cristiano Ronaldo's journey is a powerful lesson in perseverance, determination, and the pursuit of dreams. His story serves as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us that with hard work and unwavering belief, nothing is out of reach.